So, is AI taking over virtual assistants, and is AI making it harder for virtual assistants to find client? I get these questions a few times recently, and I decided to really look into it. And working online, if you work online, you do things online, multiple things online, you use AI every day, you know this for certain. AI is very good, but AI is not even close to replacing virtual assistant, because almost all the things that AI can do, it needed virtual assistant to do it right. Let's say data entry. I'm sure there are many tools that can do data entry work, many AI tools that can do data entry work, but most of at least the ones that I tried to do, even transcription, they are going to need you to go through it, make sure everything is right, pick some error, some mindless error that a person cannot make. If I extract transcript right now from StreamYard, the transcript is going to be okay, but there is no way you can take that transcript and do something with it without making any changes. So AI can do many things, but AI is still a tool that virtual assistant or anyone can use. AI cannot do virtual assistant work as of this moment right now. And I know the main reason why many beginners to virtual assistant think AI is replacing virtual assistant or AI is making it harder to find client is because of the YouTube videos, because of videos on YouTube. And one thing you should understand is most YouTube videos, at least the vast majority of YouTube videos, the purpose is to get views, to get people to click and watch. So if I make a video and title it, AI is not taking virtual assistant jobs, the video is probably not going to get as much views as if I said AI is taking over virtual assistant jobs. And that is why you are going to find videos who will tell you AI is taking over virtual assistants, because that is what will get your attention. That is what is going to get views. But virtual assistants, AI is not really close to replacing virtual assistants. AI is a very good tool that make virtual assistant work easier and more efficient. The one thing that I understand is AI make expectations higher for client. So when client hire you, they are going to have higher expectations from you because of AI, and they should, because AI make it easier to be efficient. But almost anything that I know AI can do require human to actually do something with it. I will give you another example. There is someone I work for. The person have a podcast, video podcast. When they finish recording the video podcast, I upload it to YouTube for them. We are going to take the link and add it to an AI tool, and the AI tool is going to create short clips. And the AI tool have a feature where you can automatically just give it the link and it will automatically create the short vertical clips, automatically publish to TikTok, Instagram, YouTube short. But that wouldn't work. We are going to have to do it manually, because AI, when we give the link to AI, if the AI generates 10 clips from one video, about five of those clips are going to be good enough. And we are going to have to just make some adjustments to the captions. So if we let AI to do it, the AI is going to publish all the 10 clips, and 50% of those clips are not good enough. Some doesn't even make sense. There are some information that is incorrect because of the way it clips the content. So if we let it do it, we are going to end up with content that is not good at all. And that is why even though it works, we are going to have to work with it to produce good content. And in almost everything that I know AI can do, it is going to require a person to actually guide the AI, to use the AI as a tool to actually do the thing. It's funny, I saw a video on BBC or CNN, or BBC posted the video a few days ago, and the video was recorded in around 1967, 1960 something, where the reporter is going from one person to another, asking for people's opinion about computers, and everyone is just afraid computers are taking over. And anyone that they ask in the video, what do you think will happen by 2000? By 2000, the people thought AI computers are taking over, computers and automation. By 2000, there is not going to be any jobs left, because computers will be doing all the jobs.
Computers are taking over now. Computers and automation. And in the year 2000, there just won't be enough jobs to go around.
And there is one thing I want you to remember. Every person that starts virtual assistants or anything else, they think it's harder when they start. But when I started in 2019, I thought it's harder. I thought if only I started a few years ago, it will be easier. So someone who started in 2020, they will think it's harder for them when they started. Someone who started in 2022, someone who started this year, anytime that someone starts, they think is the hardest time that they started the thing. It might be true, it might be not, but still people are getting started, are finding client. If you wait because it's harder now, it is not going to get easier. So you are just going to have to shut out all of those things that distract you or discourage you, and do everything that you can to make it work for you. And if you did that, maybe you are going to end up making it work.